You need to hear this if you're a walker. Ready to supercharge your strolls? Walking is great, but let's kick it up a notch. Here are 4 expert tips to make your daily walk more effective. First, pick up the pace. Walk like you're rushing to grab the last slice of pizza. Listen to some fast beats and match your steps to the rhythm. It's fun and burns more calories. Second, add bursts of speed. Think of it like playing tag with yourself. Jog for a few seconds, then walk, then jog again. This interval training gets you fitter, faster. Third, turn your walk into a strength workout. Find some spots along your route to do push-ups, squats, or lunges. Or carry light weights or a backpack with books to make those muscles work harder. Lastly, find some hills. Walking uphill is a killer workout for your heart and legs, while downhill strengthens your muscles. Mix up your routes to keep it exciting and challenging. So lace up those sneakers and let's make every step count. Keep walking, people. Click the link for more tips on supercharging your walks.